So we appeared before Justice Kwenda. We argued the matter extensively. As you can see, this is now beyond 7:30 p.m. We've been arguing since 2:30 in the afternoon, and the judge has said that he's going to deliver his judgment tomorrow at 11:30 a.m. So we'll be back again tomorrow for the determination of this matter. So this is what has transpired.
Just give us a brief so that people understand what is this case about.
Well, this case is about an application which was brought by Mr. Tshabangu, who wants to bar candidates from participating under the banner of CCC, and who have come in and said that Mr. Tshabangu's CCC is an organization which is alien to us, which is unknown to the genuine CCC, which has sponsored the candidates into parliament and council. That was the basis upon which we were opposing his application. So the court has heard the arguments from all the parties involved, including ZEC, and the judgment is going to be delivered tomorrow at 11:30 a.m.
And what was outstanding from today's deliberations?
Well, I don't want to preempt anything, but for those that were in court, everything was up for grabs. Everything was hotly contested, from the name CCC itself, including the head of the President Nelson Chamisa. Everything was contested, really. So we expect the court judgment to capture all the arguments that were raised by the parties, and we will appreciate after reading the judgment at the basis upon which the court will have reached its decision.
Well, I don't think there will be anyone who is going to complain that it's night justice once again. But, well, I'll go straight into the issue. You know, consistency is key in cases of this nature. The first position that we had when we started these proceedings sometime last year was that Mr. Tshabangu was an imposter. That argument was abandoned along the way. A certain constitution was introduced. Even today, up to today, nobody can tell us when such constitution came into force, when that constitution was signed. Every other person who wanted to rely on that constitution has been struggling in court, hence all these delays. But anyway, let's quickly get into what we're dealing with today. The issue that we have been dealing with today is the issue of expungement of names of those that have been recalled by the political party going by the name CCC. We are aware that certain individuals went back into the nomination court and filed their nomination papers using the CCC as a political party. But well, there are those that are wise or that got proper instructions who went independent, who say, you know, that was a noble decision. The issue that this court is supposed to be dealing with is very simple. One, the issue is the issue of precedence. This court has decided, it has made a decision that those that went into an election in December and those that were recalled, the first recall, should not participate in the election using CCC. That judgment is extant. This court was not persuaded at all why it should not follow that judgment. There is a doctrine of state decisis. It has to be followed. We can't expect any other decision, especially where those that are challenging it have not been persuasive. The show that is being given in here for those that are attending the court is somewhat not impressive. I mean, it's just an argument. People are just being argumentative, but not impressive. No one has challenged why the judgment as per Justice Katiu should not be followed by this court. In the same manner, of course, with different participants. So we are hopeful that the decision is going to come in our favor, and that should not surprise anyone, for the writing is on the wall. The arguments were not impressive, but well, let's give them, you know, we don't want to preempt what is going to come up. But we are confident we made a very good case.
Probably in